table of contents and number 13. Go ahead and we're going to title it Area of a Trapezoid. And put your page number. Turn to that page and title it Area of a Trapezoid. Okay, I'm still hearing somebody talking. Jackson Kennedy, move to the table over here. Okay, area of a trapezoid. Alright, so in your notes, we're going to start by drawing a trapezoid. And we're going to draw the one that you probably see the most. So, it kind of looks like this. That's our typical trapezoid. So, we're also going to label some of the dimensions. So this side is 7 inches. This side is 13 inches. And we have this dotted line. And it's a right angle. And so that tells us the height is 4 inches. So the first thing we're going to talk about, remember how triangles and parallelograms have a base, something they sit on? So a trapezoid has 2 bases. So we're going to label this one, just draw a circle. We're just going to call it base 1. But if I turned it upside down, this side could also be a base. So that's going to be base 2. So the first thing I'm just going to go ahead and do, I'm going to tell you the formula. Okay? So the first way to find the area of a trapezoid is this really fun and exciting formula. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So parentheses, base 1 plus base 2 parentheses times h, what is h for?
Height.
Good job. Divided by 2 equals area. Okay, so if I'm going to show you, I will show you right now actually. So I'm going to take my dimensions. So base 1 is 13 plus base 2 is 7 times the height, they gave it to us, is 4. And you can give yourself a little reminder that it's times, and then divided by 2. The hard part is not coming up with the formula. Was that pretty easy?
Yeah.
Base 1, base 2, the height. The hard part is remembering the order of operations from 5th grade, because if you solve it in the wrong order, you're going to get the wrong answer, right?
Yeah.
So, Selma, what do we do first?
Add 13%.
The parentheses, right? Anytime we see parentheses, those are first. So to show my thinking, I'm going to do a little caret. 13 plus 7, I know that, 20. What do I do second? Kyle.
You times it by the height, which is 4.
So then I just go left to right. So 20, to show my thinking, I'm going to write times 4. Everybody, what is 20 times 4?
80.
So I'm going to write down 80. You're not done yet. What do you have to do next, Murdoch?
Divide it by 2.
I'm going to divide 80 by 2. So I'm just going to do another line and say 80 divided by 2. And what do I get, Tia? 40. I'm finding area, so I need to label my answer inches with my little exponent. Who's blurting out? Guys, I can't hear. Okay, and circle it. So there is your answer. Okay, now that you have seen the formula, I'm going to show you why. Okay? So here is why. So kind of draw a line, and I guess you could title the bottom part of your page, Why. Why does that formula work? Turn and talk. Tell your neighbor, why do you think that formula might work? And stop, raise your hand to share. I want to hear some of those good ideas. What do you think, Rebecca?
Well, we know that you divide it by 2 because it's like there's a triangle on the sides, and in the middle there's like a rectangle, well, more like a triangle, I guess, and that would be the basis at.
So you could kind of imagine a rectangle. Is that what you were thinking? Okay. What were some other ideas? I heard several other things. Jackson, what did you guys think of?
We thought that because if you cross over like that, it makes 2 triangles.
So go ahead in your notes. Underneath Y, go ahead and sketch your trapezoid. And label your sides again. 7 inches, 13 inches, and then our height of 4. Now I'm not saying Rebecca was wrong, because she's right also. But for this example, I'm going to use Jackson's idea. So if you take your pencil and slice your trapezoid diagonally, look up here. Isn't that a triangle?
Yeah.
Is that a triangle?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I cut them in half, and this is the second way that you might decide to do it. Now I can find the area of one triangle, add it to the area of a second triangle. So what that means is I can think in my head, area equals base times height divided by 2 for a triangle, right guys?
Yes.
So if I start with this first triangle and I just focus on this one, what would my base be for this triangle? Johanna?
Well, I just have a question.
Okay, stick with what I'm saying right now, okay? When you come to group, we'll really dig deeper. Sophie?
7.
7. So this triangle is kind of upside down, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So my base would be 7. What is my height of this first triangle? Elizabeth?
4.
It is still 4, because that's how high it would be. Right? Yes. Okay. Then we will divide it by 2. everybody, what's 7 times 4?
28.
28 divided by 2 and 3. Okay, just circle that 14 for now. And you could even write in this area 14 inches squared. We know the area of this triangle. Okay, then we're going to find the area of the second triangle. So I'm going to use a different color. So now we're looking at this triangle. Okay, so what is the base of triangle number 2? Selma? 13. Times, what is my height? Emery? 4. Because if this side is 4, isn't this side also 4?
Yep.
Okay, so 13 times 4 divided by 2. Take a minute and figure out, raise your hand when you have it, what is 13 times 4? Yeah? 52. Divided by 2, what do we get if we divide it by 2? Christian?
It would be 52 divided by 2 is 26.
Yes. So what we're saying is our second triangle has an area of 26 square inches. I want to know the area of the entire trapezoid, right guys?
Yeah.
So what do I need to do? What do I need to do, Kaylee? So if I add 14 plus 26, what will I get? Trey?
40.
You're going to get your 40 square inches. So there is your Y. A trapezoid is just 2 triangles. So you have this big long formula, or you can break it in half. Okay? They both work. Johanna?
I have a question about the Y.
Okay?
So if the trapezoid is 2 triangles, then couldn't you just do 7 times 4 like the what we did already, but like couldn't you do it like twice because of 2 triangles? Like
This base is 7 inches. The other triangle has a different base of 13. They're both going to have the same height though, aren't they? But they have different bases. Okay. Alright, when you guys come to group today, do you need to bring your notes?
yes.
Do you need to bring your math workbook?
Yes.
Okay. Quietly move to your first rotation. Quietly. Maria, check the group you're in. Kiddo, I need you to go to your first rotation and ask me in a minute, okay?